This machine is a large horizontal borer. It's a Hyundai WIA. It's a moving column machine, and it's got a W axis, which is this extension. It's like a quill, fully programmable from the spindle, which makes that really useful for access and things like that. And it's on a BT50 taper, so it's the large taper, quite heavy tools, so you've got to be a bit careful when you're taking them in and out of the spindle. The machine has a fully programmable B axis. That's how it'll come up on your display as a B, and that's in degrees and decimals of a degree, right down to 0.001 of a degree. The control on this machine is a Fanuc 31i CNC control. The machine has a 40 station tool changer, and this is how tool changes. It's got this intermediate position here, and if we do a T code on its own, then the tool can sit in that intermediate position ready for when we do the tool change. So we can pre-select the tools and they can sit ready for when we do the tool change, and this speeds things up quite a lot. Total movement in X is 4 meters, that's 4,000 millimeters. The Y is 2,000 millimeters, and the Z is 2,000 millimeters. And then you've got your quill, which will extend out, giving you 700 in total. Your B axis, this is your rotary table, and this is fully programmable at 0.001 degrees. So you can program any angular move that you want, obviously 360 being a full revolution. The machine has a remote hand wheel. This means that you've got this hand wheel which is on a cable, and you have to depress the buttons on the side to make it work. This is to stop you using two hands in the machine. From a safety point of view, don't ever allow anyone to hold this for you, so it's got to be done by one person. You can't have two people, because if one person's overriding it, or if you're inside the machine, don't be tempted to get somebody to move the axis for you. The idea is that you do everything yourself, and that way you're in full control. So it's an important safety feature that you do this alone. You hold the hand wheel, and then you know exactly what movements you're making. And obviously another safety thing, do not under any circumstances trick the door locks. The door locks are they're fully designed so that from a safety point of view, you can't do anything that you shouldn't be doing with that door open, such as changing tools and starting spindle, things like that, or rapid movements.